All right, so we're back, and as always, we're keeping an eye on AIagentstore.ai, and there's always something new and interesting popping up there.
Always.
And today we're going to take a little deep dive into AI video generation.
Okay.
Specifically something called Synthesia.
Yeah.
And I guess our mission here is to figure out, what it is, why it might be a good thing for folks who need to create video content.
Sounds good.
So what is this Synthesia thing?
Well, it's an AI video platform.
Okay.
Based in London.
Mm-hmm.
They've been around since 2017. And what they do is they generate videos using these lifelike AI avatars. And the avatars can speak in over 140 languages.
Wow. Okay, so no cameras, no actors, no studios.
Exactly.
That's a pretty big shift.
Huge.
So who would be using this? Like, who's the ideal user for Synthesia?
Well, according to the website, the people they list as best for are corporate trainers,
Okay.
marketing professionals, content creators,
Yeah.
the usual suspects.
Yeah.
Educators and communication specialists.
Hmm.
So if you're in any of those fields,
Yeah.
or even if you're just thinking about how video could fit into your work,
Yeah.
this could be something worth checking out.
Okay, so let's get down to the nuts and bolts here. What can it actually do? Like, what are the features that make this thing so useful?
So the first thing that jumps out is this multilingual capability.
Right.
I mean, imagine creating training videos or marketing materials
Yeah.
that resonate in dozens of languages without the traditional production headaches.
Right.
So that's a huge one.
Yeah. I mean, that alone is kind of mind-blowing.
Total.
And they also have templates, right, to speed things up.
Yeah, they've got templates that can help you get videos out the door really quickly.
Okay, so I noticed that they mentioned something called an autonomy level of 89%.
Yeah.
What does that even mean? What does that mean for someone who's actually using the platform?
So basically, it's a measure of how much of the video creation process is actually handled by the AI.
Oh, I see.
So that 89% suggests that there's a really high degree of automation
Yeah.
happening behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Generating those avatars, synthesizing the voices, and turning text into the actual visuals.
Wow.
So it really streamlines everything.
So for our listeners out there, let's try to make this a little bit more concrete.
Sure.
What are some of the actual use cases?
Okay, so think about a corporate trainer
Mm-hmm.
who needs to roll out a new set of procedures globally.
Okay.
Instead of having to do expensive and time-consuming shoots with actors speaking different languages,
Right.
they could use Synthesia to create a single script
Okay.
and then have that script presented by different AI avatars in each language.
Oh, that's interesting.
It's a really powerful application.
So basically they could create one video and then have it translated and presented by different avatars.
Wow, okay. And similarly, marketing teams could use it to quickly create product demos or explainers with consistent branding and messaging across different languages.
Makes sense.
It's all about efficiency and reach.
And I saw that it's also being used for things like internal company communications.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Even in education to make, more engaging learning content.
Absolutely.
It's really interesting how many different applications there are.
It is.
So I know that the AI Agent Store also mentioned a comparison with another tool, Hagen.
Right.
Is that something worth looking into as well?
Yeah, I mean, it's important to remember that Synthesia isn't the only player in this space.
Okay.
And the fact that they're providing these comparisons on AI Agent Store
Right.
suggests that there are other options out there that might have different strengths.
Okay.
So it's definitely worth exploring and seeing what's the best fit for your particular needs.
So to kind of sum this all up, it sounds like Synthesia gives us a way to create video content very efficiently
Yeah,
using these AI avatars in pretty much any language we need,
exactly.
which could really change the game for a lot of people.
No doubt about it.
It's pretty incredible. So here's a thought for our listeners. Given how easy it's becoming to create video with AI,
Right.
how do you think this is going to change not just how we create content, but the whole landscape of online communication and learning?
It's a big question.
It is. It's definitely something to keep an eye on.
For sure.
And if you want to explore Synthesia or any of the other tools we talked about, you can head over to AIagentstore.ai.
Great place to start.
And we will catch you next time on The Deep Dive.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.